Blockchain or cybersecurity enhancing security with innovation. Introduction to blockchain and cybersecurity, understanding their roles in the digital age. Understanding blockchain and cybersecurity, decentralized ledger protecting digital systems. Intertwining technologies. Understanding the core of blockchain technology, key concepts professionals must be aware of. Core elements of blockchain technology: blocks, chains, nodes. Cryptographic principles and use cases: hashing and digital signatures, blockchain applications. Cybersecurity challenges in the digital age. Navigating threats in a connected world. Common and emerging cybersecurity threats: malware and phishing, IoT vulnerabilities. Impact on businesses. The growing threat landscape highlights the urgency for robust cybersecurity measures. How blockchain strengthens cybersecurity measures, exploring the intersection of technology and security. Security benefits of blockchain technology: data integrity, reduced attack surface, enhanced authentication. Secure transactions. Blockchain technology enables secure transactions by providing cryptographic assurances that data cannot be altered, enhancing trust and reliability in digital exchanges while preventing fraud and unauthorized access. Understanding blockchain security risks and vulnerabilities, analyzing potential weaknesses in blockchain systems. Understanding blockchain vulnerabilities: smart contract bugs, 51% attacks, privacy concerns. Mitigating risks, addressing blockchain security risks is essential. Practical applications of blockchain in cybersecurity, exploring real-world intersections and benefits. Applications of blockchain in cybersecurity: supply chain traceability, identity management, secure IoT management. Case studies exploring real-world applications of blockchain in finance, healthcare, and logistics showcases its transformative potential, enhancing security, efficiency, and trust across diverse industries. Future trends in blockchain and cybersecurity, exploring innovations shaping the digital landscape. The future of blockchain and cybersecurity: decentralized identity, AI integration, quantum-resistant technologies. Zero Trust models. Zero Trust security models emphasize the principle of never trust, always verify. Conclusion and next steps: blockchain plays a dual role in enhancing cybersecurity while presenting unique challenges. Thank you. Questions? Contact us for more information.